Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the objective question and answer of chapter 2, that is natural resources, land, soil and water from geography. So first, I am starting with the MCQ questions, that is A part, tick the correct answer. Which of the following areas has high density of population? Okay, so A marshland, B thick forest, C hot desert and D river valley. So the correct answer is river valley, because in hot desert there cannot be much of population due to lack of water facility. Same goes in thick forest, people cannot inhabit, and in marshlands also people cannot sustain for long. So density of population will be in river valley. Which of the following activities is done on private land holdings? So fodder collection, no. It is done on community land holding, same as grazing. It is farming which is done on private land holdings, and fuel wood collection is also done on community land holding. Which of the following factors is not responsible for soil formation? So we all know rainfall, that is water, actually affects in the weathering of soil, breaking of soil. Humus is also one factor which affect the formation of soil, and slope, which is the relief factor, also affect the formation of soil. Color does not help in formation of soil, but yes, when we define the certain characteristics of soil, color has an important role. Okay, different soil have different kind of color, but then it is not helping in formation of soil. Leaching is most common in the dash. So leaching is basically the washing away of soil only. Okay, so in which layer it is most common? So obviously the topmost layer, because removal of topmost layer is only soil erosion and loss of fertility. So the correct answer is topsoil. Which of the following method is most useful for checking soil erosion on the steep slopes? Okay, since the question is regarding steep slopes, so it is cover crops, no, it is done on plain lands. Terrace cultivation, since it is done on steep slope, so the correct answer is terrace cultivation. Shelter belts is also done on the plains, and rock dams is not regarding steep slopes, it is regarding control of water. Okay, which of the following method help soil to regain its fertility? So the first is deforestation, no, not at all. It will in fact do the opposite. Overgrazing, not at all. Leaching, not at all. Fallowing is one factor which actually help the soil to regain its fertility. So the correct answer is fallowing. Now coming to the B part, fill in the blanks. Land covers about -% of Earth's surface. So even in the flow chart or in the pie diagram I showed you, almost 30%, which is exact according to your book, is 29. Okay, so the land covers about 29% of Earth's surface. The importance of soil lies in its fertility, because when we are supposed to grow something on soil, that will only the fertility will determine how can we grow, or in what quantity, or will the growth be according to our needs or not. Regar is the local name for which soil in India? That is black soil in India. Rainwater harvesting is mostly practiced in dash and dash areas, that is arid and semi-arid areas. So for question C and D and HOTS question, I will discuss in the next class. For today we are discussing with the objective questions. Thank you, class.